Hello everyone, welcome to the Discrete IAS. My name is Bharat. In this video, we are going to understand the difference between prelims and mains preparation. Basically, there is no watertight difference between the prelims and mains preparation. Both stages are to be prepared in an integrated and connected manner. But there are a few areas that differentiate the mains preparation from prelims preparation. For example, according to the syllabus, the essay, internal security, ethics, world history, society, disaster management, and optionals. These are those areas that exclusively belong to the mains. They are not part of the prelims stage as such. But in 2020 prelims paper, UPSC asked a question about the Karl Marx and Gandhian philosophy. So you can say that this is the part of the world history, which is not part of the prelims preparation or prelims stage. But as I told you that preparation should be done in an integrated manner. So basically this question is valid in 2020 prelims preparation. Now coming to the marks, the prelims stage consists of two papers that are of 200 marks each. Okay, and the mains consist of these papers which are of 1750 marks other than those of qualifying papers. Now coming to the qualifying paper, the prelims consist of the CSAT, in which you have to score at least 33% out of 200 marks to get qualified. Okay, that means you have to score more than 66 marks out of 200 to get qualified. Now coming to the mains consist of the two language paper. One is English language and one is any one of Indian language that you choose, be it Hindi or any other language. Okay, both consist of the 300 marks and you have to score at least 25% of marks, that is 75 marks out of 300 to get qualified. Okay, after qualifying in these papers, your answer copy for essay, optional and GS1 papers, GS2, 3 and 4 papers will be evaluated. Okay, the mode of the exam of prelims is of objective type and the mode of exam of mains is of subjective type. That means you have to write with the pen on the paper. Now coming to the axis of the exam, here lies the major difference. Now take the two examples like El Nino and repo rate. Okay, if the question on El Nino is to be asked in the prelims, then the question will be like that: what is the El Nino? What is the core concept of the El Nino? How does it occur in the Pacific Ocean? But the same time, if the question on El Nino is to be asked in the mains stage, then it should be like that: what are the consequences of the El Nino on India? What are the impacts of El Nino on Indian monsoon? How does the El Nino affect the Indian agriculture? Now are you getting my point? That means I want to say that prelims is more of factual and one-liner based, whereas the mains is more of issue oriented, where you have to analyze the issue, where you have to express the issue, you have to understand the issue and then focus on the positive and negative aspects of the issue. Now let us take another example like repo rate. If the question on repo rate is to be asked on the prelims, then UPSC will simply ask that what is the repo rate. But at the same time, if the question on repo rate is to be asked in the mains, then UPSC will ask that what are the consequences of the increase or decrease in repo rate on the inflation in India. How does it affect the economic health of India? That means again the mains lies at issue oriented approach. Mains demands an issue oriented approach. Okay, so basically the final point is that you should focus on analyze, evaluate and focus on the significance of the issue. But at the same time in the prelims you have to simply mug up and simply understand the issue. You have to cover many things. I hope the difference between the prelims and mains preparation is clear to you now. Thank you so much.